Hey guys, today in this video, I'll guide you through how you can fix Chrome download speed. Watch till the end to grab everything properly. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First things first, open the Chrome browser on your personal computer and make sure it is updated to the latest version available. Once you are on the home page of the browser, click on the three dots icon located at the top right corner. A menu will open up, so simply click on the Settings feature to open your browser settings. Now, look for the Privacy and Security tab in the left side menu and access the Security tab from there. After that, scroll down to the bottom of the screen and change the DNS provider to either Google or Cloudflare. You can experiment with both options to see which one works best for you. Once you have made this change, close the Chrome browser and then open it up again. In the search bar at the top, type Chrome://flags. This would take you to a special settings page. Now, search for parallel downloading in the search bar at the top and enable this feature. Again, close the browser and relaunch it. Next, access the browser settings again and navigate to the System tab from the left side menu. Make sure that the top feature is disabled and the second one is enabled. Lastly, check for any unused extensions in your browser as they can affect your download speed. Remove the ones that you do not need. So that's basically how you can fix Chrome download speed. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.